How to make eyelashes serum at home. Add 1 tablespoon of hot water in the bowl. Add 6 to 7 cloves in hot water. Add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Mix it. Now leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, strain or separate the ingredients. Take an empty jar. Add that water in the jar. Take 2 vitamin E capsules. Add vitamin E capsules in the mixture. Mix it. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil in the mixture. Mix it. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in the mixture. Mix it. Mix until it looks like this. Take 1 mascara brush. Apply it on your eyelashes and eyebrows daily and night. Your eyelashes will grow faster and thicker. Subscribe for more.